This is Shawn Batchelor. Welcome to my project review video for Project 3 of MDF2. This is an application that we were tasked to create that utilizes the UI picker to choose an image from the photo album, to take a snapshot, and to record a video. So let me give you a brief demo of the application right here. I got an app. Main screen has three icons, one for the photo album, one for the camera, take a snapshot, and then another one to make a video. At the bottom we got some instructions there that says select the camera button if you want to take a snapshot, select the video camera button if you want to make a video, and then choose the Polaroid button if you want to pick an image that's already in your photo album. So let me start with a snapshot. You can click on the snapshot icon. Once you click on that, it'll bring up the camera. You take an image. You can resize, you can scale and move that image around as you please. And then once you choose use photo, it brings up both the original and the edited image on a separate screen via segue. You get the option to save or to cancel. Cancel goes back to the main screen, and save will automatically save the image to your photo album. Once you click save, it'll bring up an alert letting the user know that the image actually saved or there was an error. This alert that I created, it dismisses automatically after 3 seconds without interaction from the user. So let me show you. If I click on save right there, I get a success alert, automatically dismisses the view. Now for the video capture button, if I click on video, I get the camera again, and if you click on record, you can record a video. Once I stop, I have the option to retake that video or to use it. If I click on use, I get another separate view controller via segue that brings up the option to save or to cancel. Now, as I said before, cancel will bring you back to the main screen without any further action. If you click on save, it will do the same alert, automatically dismiss, and save it to your photo album. Now right here, I can show you the images that they're actually saving by demonstrating the last icon, which is the photo album button. If you click on photo album, you can go to your camera roll, and you can see right here the images that were saved. That one's the edited image, that one's the original snapshot that I took. And if I click on use, I get the same type of presentation where it brings up the original and edited. I didn't scale anything, so it looks the same. But this one, you won't have the option to save. It wasn't a requirement. You just have the option to go back to the main screen. I have the image type to show only the still images, but I can show you that the video actually did save to the camera roll also. This is the video right here, and you can see you have the option to replay that video. That's the video that we just took. So let me go that, close out of that. So that is the application right there, and it works as required. Now let me give you a brief overview of the code. I have several view controllers here. I got the main view controller, I have a photo album view controller, I have my image capture, and then I have a video capture view controller right here. Most of the coding takes place in the main view controller, so I only have a few things in my photo album. I have some properties that I pass the images through, outlets, same thing in the image capture, and same thing in video capture. In my view controller header file, I have actions for close details, which is what I use to go back to the main segue view controller, and I have an action for image click, a video click, and an album click, and I also have an action for save along with properties that I pass the images through. In my view controller right here, start at the top. In my view did load, I load my instructions right here on the text view. And then I have an action here to unwind the segue back to the main view controller. Self-dismiss view controller animated no. Then I have the other actions for the main view buttons. The three buttons that I have: image click, video click, and album click. On all of them I invoke the picker, source type camera, and then for the photo album, source type photo library. Editing is allowed. And then the final thing that I do in all three is present the view controller. Then in my IB action for saving, I save both the original and the edited image, and I utilize a tag on the buttons to do a conditional save for the video and the image, because they require separate methods. To utilize the image from the photo library right here, I have photo album view controller with the original and the edited image. And for the video, I pass a URL through a string and assign that to the view controller property. And then I conditionally perform segues with the identifiers that I set, so I can load the original and edited on separate view controllers. And then down here I have the handlers for the saving of the photo and video. Right here, if there's an error, I present an alert. It automatically dismisses after my delay. Right here, same thing. If there's an error, it will just show the error, and it will actually give you a button to try to go back, return to the same screen you're on, and then you can try to save it again. And if that doesn't work, then you just cancel and go back to the main screen. For the video, same process. Dismisses after 3 seconds automatically with no interaction. And right here I have my method that dismisses the success alert automatically. And then finally I have conditional segues that perform specific window tasks. So if the segue identifier is photo album, then I'm gonna do the tasks for the photo album. If it's image capture, I'm gonna run the task for the image capture. And all this does is it assigns the old image and the new image to as properties on the view controller. And for the video capture, since we're not displaying the video on the separate view controller, it just exists right there. So anyway, the application works as the requirements specified. Thank you very much for watching. Again, this is Shawn Batchelor, and it's my Project 3 review video for MDF2. Thanks for watching.